Is 3050 worth it? Did NVIDIA save budget gaming? Guys who have GeForce waiting for you, here is your answer in short. Yes and no. Those who are still here, hop onto the video for detailed information. It will help you if you are planning for buying a 3050. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Brief. A decade ago, NVIDIA introduced the 50 class GPU, offering gamers great performance on the latest architecture at an affordable price. It was the first step up into GTX gaming. Now, 3 of the top 5 GPUs on Steam are GTX 50 class, including the GeForce GTX 1050. When it was released in 2016, the GTX 1050 could power the top games of that time at over 60 frames per second. But the production value of games continues to rise, and the modern games need much more GPU horsepower. The GTX 1050 struggles to keep up. Even a GTX 1050 Ti or the more modern GTX 1650 can't power the latest games at 60 FPS. Thanks to NVIDIA's showcase at CES 2022 this year, the GPU manufacturer is adding a couple of more RTX 3000 series cards into the fray. The relatively affordable RTX 3050 GPU starting at $249 and the presumed inverse of affordable with the insane top of the line RTX 3090 Ti with no confirmed pricing yet. If you want to know more about RTX 3090 Ti and what the fuck the NVIDIA did with the 3090 Ti showcase, then wait for the upcoming video after this one. There I am gonna discuss some juicy stuff about 3090 Ti and NVIDIA. So if you don't want to miss out that video, please click the subscribe button and press the bell notification button to be notified when that video goes live. So let's get back to our main content. The specs of RTX 3050. GeForce RTX 3050 graphics card comes equipped with 2nd generation RT cores for ray tracing and 3rd generation Tensor Cores for DLSS and AI. Here the point to be noted is DLSS and RT cores. We all know RTX takes a huge toll on the GPU and the FPS. So here comes the DLSS. DLSS provides more FPS with a low resolution image. So we don't care. It makes the playing field even. For the first time you can play ray traced game on a 50 class GPU at over 60 FPS. RTX powered ray tracing and DLSS are the new standard in gaming, and the RTX 3050 makes them more accessible than ever before. RTX 3050 will come with 2560 NVIDIA CUDA cores with a boost clock of 1.78 GHz. The memory size is 8GB with a memory type of GDDR6, and it also comes with the general benefits of NVIDIA card like GeForce Experience, Shadowplay, DirectX 12 Ultimate, NVIDIA G-Sync, NVIDIA Ansel, and resizable bar. It's coming with a price tag of $249. It's coming with a price tag of $249, but it's a starting price, and we all know what's gonna happen after the release. We all know what's gonna happen after the release. GeForce RTX 3050 is coming January 27th with a starting price of $249. Do you all know that's a joke of a price to be put on the table? I'm not talking about the Putin. I'm talking about putting it on the table. I'm not talking about Putin, so don't mess up with that. And now reality of the story, but that's all on paper. We all know the prices are gonna skyrocket, and the scalpers and the bots are gonna buy all the graphics cards in bulk, and beside them there are miners who are standing there flooded with their thousands of GPUs which they are gonna buy when these cards are gonna release.
I'm not interested, yaar. मुझे सुनना ही नहीं है।
This card will be retailed at $249, which is starting price, and it should be the MRP of RTX 3050. But we all know what will happen. The scalpers are gonna scalp them, and the original gamers will get Babaji ka Tullu.
साला ये दुख का खत्म नहीं होता बे।
कोई बात नहीं, हम तो चूतिए हैं, दोबारा ट्राई करेंगे। और क्या बहचोर कोई काम है हम पे?
The miners will get gas, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, etc.
Hello, I like money. Money, money, money. I like money.
The GeForce RTX 3050 will be for sale worldwide on January 27 from all of their quote-unquote partners, and in Asian countries they will cost like $500 or more. Just look at 1650 Super and 1660 Super prices in Bangladesh and India and all other near countries. Things are just super messed up. Just look at it. The prices of 1660 Super is out of this world. 1660 Super is currently retailed at 55k PDT, which is around 643 United States dollars. $650 for a 1660 Super.
गजब बेइज्जती।
The fuck is going on in GPU market, my man? Retail price don't mean much. We'll see what will happen with RTX 3050, and I know they are gonna be retailed at around 70 to 60k in Bangladesh, and I don't know about India. Their story is on another
ये
level.
दुख का खत्म नहीं होता बे।
चक्कर में मेरे लोड़े लग गए, लोड़े लग गए।
RTX 3050 offers a level of performance that is better than GTX 1660 Super and not very much than AMD Radeon RX 59. If you can get this card in MSRP of $250, then you are the luckiest person alive. But you guys heard in the discussion that it's most probably impossible to get this caliber of GPU at that rate. So it's probably not going to happen. If you can get this GPU under $600, that's a big win in the world where you can't get a GPU below $600. So then it's really
One eternity later. Eventually.
really good deal. Cause firstly you can get a GPU in 2022. So if you can get this GPU by any means under $600 to $700, it's really worth it. And NVIDIA, you suck. No, I don't think you guys have saved anything. An ITT rant is coming on. There I will talk about RTX 3090 Ti and rant on NVIDIA. So if you guys don't wanna miss that video, click sub and press the bell notification button to be notified when that video goes live. That's all for today, guys. If you guys enjoyed the video, please drop a like, and for more content like this, press the subscribe button. Ta-da, boys!